Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just finished up the box the other day and actually cut the holes. Ran out of cassette and had to go buy some more, so didn't get it all on footage. So, but anyway, I got the holes drilled out nicely. I already pre-fit the subs in there and they do fit. So I just had to finish caulking the inside of the box here. It's pretty good. Good enough, I should say. So let's see what it looks like with the subs in here. This is the box that they were in all the way over here. Pre-drilled the holes and screwed them in already when I finished it too, so missed out on quite a few things, but yeah, they fit pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and wire these things up and probably go ahead and mount my amp here in the center, give it a test fit, and see, I finish this up so everything's all put together nicely. A little bit nicer than originally, so. I'll go ahead and keep it right here at the edge and see how it sounds before right here. Liftgate's going to be real close. I might end up moving it further forward, but we'll see. I'm gonna run the wires and see how everything fits, and then put it all back together.